In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the customer account login link from the header menu in Shopify. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible for you. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. It's quite straightforward. Look for the settings icon, which is typically situated at the bottom right of your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your store. Once you've clicked on settings, take a moment to locate the Customer Accounts option on the left-hand panel. This is a crucial step in the process, as all changes related to customer login visibility are controlled here. Customer Accounts is the section where you manage how your guests can interact with your store in terms of logging in, viewing their past orders, and more. For today's task, however, we'll be focusing on removing that login link from the header menu of your site. Now, once you're inside the Customer Accounts section, you should see a setting labeled Show Login Links. This is the feature that allows the login or profile icon to appear in the header banner of your online store. By default, this setting might be enabled if you or someone else didn't change the initial setup. To remove this link from your header, you'll want to go ahead and disable this option. Disabling Show Login Links is a small but impactful change. Once you've done this, the login icon or profile button that is usually visible to customers at the top of your store will no longer appear. This action helps to streamline the navigation bar or improve the visual presence if guest checkouts are more aligned with your business model. And that's all there is to it. This quick adjustment can make your Shopify store's user interface look cleaner and less cluttered, especially if you prefer directing your customers to guest checkout sessions or if you simply wish to keep the header menu minimalistic. Removing the login link is especially useful for stores focusing on one-time purchases or if you just want to decrease the number of distractions for your customers. Feel free to share this tip with other Shopify users who need a cleaner, more straightforward checkout process on their sites. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, anytime you want to revert the setting and bring back the login link, you can return to this section and enable Show Login Links once again. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye out for more handy Shopify tips and tricks.